Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your data or your budget on the Spendee budget planning application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and once you open it up, you can use your passcode or your email address and your password to log in to your existing account. This will then take you into the timeline page. From here, in order to export your data, you can tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and then enter the Advanced menu. This will now show you the Export option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can choose whether you would like to export specific wallets or all of them. By default, all of your wallets will be selected. Then choose the time period between 30 days, 90 days, and 365 days. If you have a premium subscription, you can also export all of your history and also choose a custom time period. After choosing your time period, you can choose the format that you wish to export in. By default, the CSV format will be selected, but if you have a premium subscription, you can also choose the Excel file format. After choosing your desired preference, you can click on the Export Data option, and now you will be told that your export will arrive in a few minutes. You should check your email address within your inbox, and you will be able to download the CSV file. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your data or your finances on the Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.